Wonder shall never end, oh my people. Hey, before we finish one matter, na so another matter go just hit us. This one now, hey, I don't even know how I even want to take narrate this matter. My people, person go person shop, say they go buy rice. 20 bags of rice. Una know how economy be now. I dey sure say for the owner of this shop mind you don't dance finish say God thank you, you bring customer for me. Oh, this one no insane na scam. My people, person bring 400 and something thousand. They count them together. Oh. No be say they just put them down. They even count the money 400 and something. Put am inside rubber. Ngwanu, they can't give the person 20 bags of rice. Put am for a car. The person can't drive go. This woman said she dey go deposit money for bank. Now, so as she opened the nylon, now only papers full inside. Hey, she don't know whether to die, to faint. As in, the thing just do her body like say, I beg, make her no waste my time. They tell una many things. Make una see and hear her with now ear. So join me, make we watch the video.
As you can see now, this happening live in Ogwashi-Uku now. Life in Ogwashi-Uku. Someone came here and buy how many bag of rice you buy? 20 bag of rice. With how much? Where this guy?
How much?
470,000 naira. I be a good when I come to the money when it's completed. When the person left now, they not be in the money turn to paper. Life in Ogwashi-Uku now is happening live. Just now, bag of rice, 20 bag of rice. Like they said, as you can see now, 20 bag of rice cost of 400,000 naira. They pay cash. They counted the money completed. Then the woman pretended to go and put the money in the bag. Now brought it back out from the bag again. The money is now turned to paper, and they have moved away with the rice. It's Sienna, white Sienna, or Sienna Kobu, white Sienna. They have moved away with the rice now. Sienna, with the Sienna boss, white Sienna. 400,000 turned to paper, white paper. This is Ogwashi-Uku. You can see me live. So I'm not be saying that tell me. So I'll be fake. It happened live in my present now for Ogwashi-Uku now.
I beg, I don't understand. Where una they take all this jazz from? Because I need una just they use the thing for the wrong purpose. If una give me all this power, una they claim say una get. Hey, Chineke, Buhari. I don't turn am to cow since. No be this one that they do and they change bag of rice. Turn Buhari to cow, may we know where our life they go. You understand? No, they waste. Hey, some kind people now they form a hand. Sharp. May we just hear for latest news. President of Nigeria just turned to cow. See how jubilation go happen. Oh, I beg, bros. I don't know your name. Oh, you will go do this and I know say they hear me, they watch me now. I beg, your next target, I know there's about what you do, but if you do it for boo-boo, you understand? You go see say Nigeria go even put money enter your account. Not be this way they do fake. Chineke. Now people come they tell me say maybe they exchange nylon. They no exchange nylon. This thing is real. Until it happen to you, before you go know say this thing they happen. It don't happen to people. People don't come outside, they testify, they give their own. To you, it go be like dream. Now so they do. They put something for mouth, they go just come talk to you before you know you don't sell your house. Now when they don't go, your eye don't open and the papers already there with them. All these things are real. Now wait till they try tell una. You understand? So make una see if you dey say for shop, open your eyes. Shop owners. 20 bags just go. In fact, this 2021 it they do me lesson at 2020. 2020 just go change cloth, wear bone straight, come back as 2021. Now so this year they do me. No, they don't say transfer better pass cash. Who tell you transfer where they due people? You go receive a lot like this. You go they see them say so amount has been transferred to. By the time you check again, money no dey. My people are now becoming smart. They are becoming smart doing the wrong things. Many of them no go believe. Now like that it always be. Now later on I go can say, hey Madam Aproko, you are right. Nigeria na movie on your own. Serious movie. Nollywood. I don't even know how come Nollywood never act Nigeria as a movie. Una go say die because things where they happen now. See, make una open una eye. And for una, All of una wey know say as una dey watch me now, you know say you dey do this thing wey you go dey do people jazz, gist, all those plenty things. No try come my shop. Hey, fire wey go burn una. By now una suppose know say I be prayer mistress. I dey scatter prayer. If you enter my shop, you go just turn to ashes. Because I no just understand how person fit suffer. You know wetin be 20 bags of rice? Not be those small 5 kg o. We dey talk about the bags, big bags. Imagine how this shop owner don suffer. Maybe na even loan. She take loan that money wey she go stock her shop. Maybe na person borrow. So, Chineke, how this person suppose recover now? You know wetin be 400 and something? Una wicked. Forget say I dey laugh o. Una dey very wicked. This thing, I dey look for the English wey I go use. Nigerian problem is, see, e dey far from politicians. Of course, we know say government get their own, but you see Nigeria problem, no be only politicians. E dey far. Even we ourselves, we dey add to problem wey politicians don already give us. When we suppose dey for each other, see, now this be the time wey we suppose dey hold each other hand, support each other, fight for each other. But no, some people just decide say for this life e no go better for them. They just wake up, decide say e no go better for them for this life. Una just dey lazy about. Una don refuse to work. Una don refuse. Sit down, think of wetin you wan do with your life. They no want that one. They no want that one o. They want the one wey person don work finish, sweat finish, then they go reap for where they no sow. Una time go soon reach. Look me very well. See this my face. Na me talk am. Una time go soon reach. Make una continue. See, the rope still long. Una still dey pull am. Una go soon know wetin dey hold that rope. I no know why every time una dey like make person dey cry. Like una dey happy when people dey cry. Who knows whether owner of that shop, whether your husband don die, or whether, see, people dey go through things. I dey beg una, no dey carry una own dey add inside people's problem. As we call this world, we come on our own o. We enter this world on our own. Therefore, everybody get their own problem. Now why people no dey help people again? If una notice, see, out of 100%, if you see people wey help, let's say like 30%, 70% don give up. Because if they tell una matter wey they experience every day, you go even tell them say abeg no help again. They don tire. You go help person wey you even help, na that one sef go even carry knife behind you, chook you. So how you want make people come dey help people again? Because of all these things. Una go dey lie, una go dey deceive, una everything on top of one person head. See, my people, I know say me I get soft heart. You understand? Me I easily dey feel for people. But now I don learn one thing. You see all these people wey una dey see say they dey waka for road wey they don mad. No pity them. No pity them. E get wetin they don go put their hand inside. See, all these mad people, even the ones wey no mad but they don almost mad, na they swear for them. Why? They either thief, they cause problem for person husband house. Now why all of una slay queens una too follow? Make una relax. I know they pity mad people. Not just mad people, all those people where if you dey see them, you go, hey God, make I help this one. Oh, wetin happen to this one? Oh, wetin? Na lie. They don't go do something. Like person wey carry this money now. Bags of rice. They don't swear for am o. Now you go do okay. Let's say in 1 or 2 months time, you go enter street, you don't mad. Una go come dey say, oh, sorry. Hey, wetin do this one? Una no know say na wetin push am enter street mad. So me, I no dey pity people again. Unless I see proof, say I know say okay, this one hand clean. I know they do am. Now so they go they do pity face, so that you go just pity them. At the end, Me, I don't come tell una this one oh, before una go talk say I see this one, I no bring am. So for una wey get eye, open am. Una wey get ear, open am. You understand? Because now these people they dey everywhere, and na the new means be that. So make una no forget. Remember everything wey I don tell una now. For una eye, e go happen. So my people, yes, na the matter be that wey I bring for una. So I still wan know any of una wey know another story wey happen wey you wan address am, drop am for the comment section. You fit help person, nobody can tell. You understand? And make sure say you share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey happen now for Nigeria oh, so that they go dey very careful. And if you never subscribe, very very important. See my hand, I dey beg, subscribe so that you no go miss anything wey we drop. Don't go far guys, love you, see you later.